All right, we've got gold consolidating today, but nevertheless, it remains in a very bearish near-term posture. But before we go further, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNS, the world's largest retail broker, offering ultra-fast execution with no overnight fees. Find a link in the description below. This is Bruce for FXEmpire, taking a look at the daily chart for gold. So yesterday, gold broke down from a bear pennant pattern, a small symmetrical triangle, and back into the range defined by this rising parallel trend channel with two blue lines. It also challenged support around the 50% retracement and the purple 20 moving average. You could see that it held support at the 20 based on yesterday's closing price. We have an inside day today, which many times is a rest before a continuation of the trend, in this case down. And you can see it may end the day with a bearish doji shooting star candlestick pattern. Now, this is not as bearish as it's at a top or in a better position, but it's still short-term bearish. And that means that a drop below today's low, 32.23, is a bearish signal confirmed by a drop below yesterday's low, 3,202. And that puts gold in a good position to challenge these next lower potential support zones. Here we have 3164, and then down here, the 50 moving average at 3086. However, the target, based on the measuring objective for the bear flag, is way down here at 3027. Now, that doesn't mean the target's going to be hit, but it does show the potential for increasing downward pressure on the price of gold. And certainly, I would say that it increases the chance that the 50 will be tested as support, maybe the 78.6% retracement around 3073, if not this target from the bear pennant. And one of the reasons that I say that is because we go to the weekly, you can see that we also had a weekly reversal of a shooting star weekly candlestick pattern today as well. And the week is likely to end, there's not much time left, below last week's low, thereby confirming the bearish weekly signal. And it just only triggered this week and has barely fallen so far. All right, that is it for today, traders. Have a great weekend.